It's the epic showdown. The Fast Frank versus the chicken breast sandwich. Which one is better, and which one suits your lunch-eating needs? Find out now with Nate Bailey as he does the Fast Frank versus the chicken breast sandwich. Hello, I am Nate Bailey, and welcome to the first episode of Food Matches. Today, we're going to be comparing the chicken breast sandwich and the Fast Frank, also known as the Quick Wiener. Okay, let's take a look at the contestants today. We've got this guy. He's frozen, and he's good. And we have your original classic American hot dog. Overall, very good, but I did find a packaging problem. So, may want to watch out for that. Let's just tip this over here. So here we go. Little defection. That's not a problem, though. Okay. Packaging is usually very good. As you can see, the wiener is encased in a plastic, self-sealed mechanism, which keeps it from drying out. Okay. Let's put it to work. See, just do like so, and there you go. Observe how it is wet and nice and fresh. Okay. Put it into the microwave now. Here's the microwave. Time cook, only 30 seconds, so it's very quick. Go, 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 go. Yum, yum. The Fast Frank is done. But that is only one contestant. We still have the chicken breast sandwich. Packaging is much more straightforward. Look, you pop the thing. Look. It's frozen, but it came out of the freezer. What do you want? Okay. Put it in the microwave. Close. This one is very long. 1 minute. For people dying of starvation, 1 minute may not be good enough. While we're waiting for the thing to be done, I think I'm going to do something fun. Huh. 20 yards, not bad. Lovely. Also, while we waited, I tried to attract some birds with my legendary bird calling skills. Come on, birds! Stupid. And lastly, I started to hone my survival skills out in the rugged wilderness of Loudonville. Okay. The crew just dropped me off, and I'm completely alone. I can say whatever I want to, and it doesn't even matter. Boy! How I wish I was taller! Sure would have liked to go skydiving the other day. Gee, how's the weather? God is my friend. See? And it doesn't even matter. Okay, so, moving on. I have constructed a sturdy bed of wet leaves. Now, the wet leaves are probably going to make me sick. But at least we know I'll never die of thirst and stuff. Back inside. Okay, it's done. Let's see how it came out. Tasty. It's Huh. Okay. Let's compare them by eating. We are now going to compare the foods. Okay. We are now going to compare the foods. Here it goes. First, the chicken breast sandwich made by Pierre Food Industries. Let's try it out. Good flavor. The bread really comes into its own here. But it smells much better than it tastes. Let's move on to the Fast Frank. Tastes like a real old-fashioned American wiener slash hot dog slash Frank. Quick, easy to make, good, but I hear it can give you cancer. So that's obviously a big downside. So, the winner is the chicken breast sandwich. These two had an epic showdown, and I like them both. They each have their upsides and their downsides. And it's hard to choose a winner in a situation like this. So I had to say it was a tie. I thought so hard about this, it made me cry. Which one do I choose? I'm losing it! I don't know what to do. Oh, no. But, in my heart, I know they will always be equal to me. Join us next time when we compare a Ruby and salsa to carne escalandas. Should be a good one.